Yeah, if you want to do that.
It's day 3 here in Jamaica, and we have a fun-filled day set for us. And right now we're eating breakfast, and Ryder's just here.
Stuff and everything, and then we're gonna walk.
Swimsuit. Is that a pineapple?
Yep.
How do you say it? Pineapple? Pineapple.
Me too. Me too. Her pants are gonna fall out. Her bottom's gonna fall.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is so windy right now. Huh? So windy right now. And we're swimming. It's so cold! Oh my god! It's freezing! Oh my god! Mine's going hella fast! Woo! Ready? We're gonna go down. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Was that not fun? Was that not fun? Let's do it again. One more time. We're going to do it again, but we are going to go, yay! Are you better? Okay.
Ryder looks like a little mermaid. You look like a little worm.
Big bite. You want a hot dog?
We're gonna go on a scoot, We're gonna go race them all the way to the whatever. Ready and go. got a mosquito repellent for mosquitoes.
For the mosquito?
For the mosquito family. We are waiting to go to Konoko Falls, and honestly, I have a strawberry daiquiri every day, or like a Miami Vice, and it's honestly so good. When I leave, I'm gonna miss it so much. I'll be like, I'm craving a strawberry daiquiri, and then the closest I'll get is icy.
My ankle's too.
Give me a headache. Because it's a mosquito repellent.
So I just woke up from a nap and I'm still tired, and everyone in the family is already at the dinner place. I was going the wrong way. Everyone's there except us, and I slept good.
Animal says oink 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 oink.
Yeah.
What animal says
Monkey. Yeah. Girl is crazy.
I've doing it a couple times before.
How do you do it?
It's like that on the top.
Stop, Ryder's watching. He's gonna do.
Shrimp is like sweet. Yeah. You know?
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Shake it. Oh. Oh, you're using. Oh. Get it. Yeah. super weird. My GoPro stopped working when we're at the waterfalls, and I couldn't record anymore, and there's so much to record. And then it stopped working when we're at dinner. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I just took out the battery and then just like let it like rest or whatever. Maybe it needs to be charged, I'm not sure. Hopefully this won't happen tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching today, and that's it. Enjoy your life. Be great. Be nice to people. Stay humble. Be blessed.